What is up, guys? Today we are selling the SLS. Steve is in Florida right now. He texted me that he wants to make some room for more funner cars, and this one's got to go.
More funner.
So much funner.
This is a lot of fun.
Look at how sad it is. It is like one of my favorite cars in the collection. I'm like actually a little bit depressed, but if it means that we can get a Tempesta package in the Wyra, then it all works out. What do you think?
I think you should start her up. The last goodbye.
Sounds so good. So we did a couple things to this car as we've owned it. We, as in Steve. We got some wheels for it. We did a Capristo. Is it Capristo? I think it's Capristo. It's the Rentec exhaust. Whatever Rentec, I think they use Capristo. It sounds amazing. We wrapped this thing in Nosatec Midnight Purple, which looks stellar. We had some fun with this car. I'll be sad to see it go because it's the only purple car in the collection, and it is so much fun to get sideways. This thing's super easy to rip around and fishtail and power slide. I'm gonna miss it.
Well, purple car is gone. What are we gonna make purple next?
Probably an E30.
Yes! 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 Okay, so I'm thinking that Steve's getting rid of this $200 and whatever $1,000 car to give me an E30. What do you guys think? I think we should get an E30. I don't think there's enough JDM cars in the collection. Steve wanted an NSX. It was
Is that not a Euro car?
I don't think there's enough JDM. It's a BMW.
Oh my God. No, we're not putting that in there.
What? Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Homies. Bro, what the F is happening?
Okay, when I said JDM, okay, I meant stance. Like, we don't have enough stance. Like, it's a JDM stancy boy car. Leave me alone.
This is what I have to put up with, guys. Help me. He's making room for better cars, so we're getting rid of an SLS and getting an E30? No.
Can someone back me up here that an E30 would be sick?
JDM?
It would be JDM-esque as in stanced.
Yeah, we'll just throw a rotary engine in there and slam it. What are you
We should LS swap.
Go wipe your eyebrow off, dude. What the f is happening?
So CMC is where we're selling the SLS to Chicago Motor Cars. That is also right next to Brighton, thankfully. We're gonna go drop this Pagani wire off to get washed. It's filthy. Tommy's not doing his job. And let's meet him up in front and let's get this thing going. For the next person who's gonna get this. That car was originally black. Black is the best. But that's just say, oh, that's a cop, that's a cop, that's a cop, that's a cop, that's a cop. 2 cops.
That's why we're getting the Tempesta package.
The Tempesta package is what we're getting. What's included in that, Bailey?
You get a wing, you get a front lip. I think you get side skirts, you get an exhaust, and I think you get the upgrade, the SmartCast upgrade.
Or we get a BC.
No cars that sound like this in the collection. I'm like sad driving this. That's the worst feeling. This feels like when I dropped out the Aventador to get sold. It was like the last drive. It's like, damn. Like, Steve's out of town. He didn't even drive this car one last time. He's like, sell it, bring it in Monday. I'm like, dude, how do you do that? These cars are like my children. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this thing. It's like the perfect mix between luxury and like muscle. It feels like you're driving a like it's as big as a Challenger. It feels like a Hellcat, but it's like German. There's no other car in the collection that feels the way this car feels to drive. And that's what I'll miss. There are so many cars that are coming that it makes sense to start getting rid of cars that he doesn't drive as much. But it makes me sad because this is one of my favorites. Cue montage of me enjoying this car and crying because I miss it.
How was your last drive?
Not my last drive. I'll buy one someday. It was good. I love this car. It's so comfy and like fun. It's not fast, but it doesn't need to be because it's so like it really is a fun driving experience.
It matches you because you look like James Bond.
That's a nice thing to say.
It is a nice thing.
Oh
to
my
say.
gosh, look how nice she is to me.
Tom Brady looking.
Tom Brady and James Bond, dude. Today's my
And
day.
Superman.
I'm
Dude.
just complimenting him in the most degrading
I know
way.
she just called me Superman earlier too, man. I like this new THC vibe. That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm gonna miss that car. It is so fun. I'll get one someday. Dude, I love this FF. This color too is so mint.
We need another JDM car in the collection.
Dude,
Bro.
A JDM FF would be so sick. In all honesty though, a wide body on this car, a front engine V12, see if you take his kids to and from school, bring it golfing.
If it's 4 people.
It'd be so sick. I mean, if it's 2 real people and then 2 half people, because I cannot fit in that backseat.
That backseat is one Tommy.
Dude, I hope the Camaro can fit 4 actual
Dude,
people.
have you seen the video of the Camaro? Throw it in right here. There's a video of like these huge Swedish dudes that are like 6'10", and all 4 of them get in the Camaro. It was one of their where I was like,
Word?
if you're Swedish and you're 6'10", hit her up.
I mean, this has got to be hands down my favorite JDM Ferrari.
I love JDM Ferraris.
I wish this was carbon though. That's kind of a vibe killer.
Can we upgrade?
We could. Steve won't buy this car, but like if it were up to me, this would be a super fun car. Throw straight pipes on it, wide body.
Make it JDM.
It would be. It would be
Stance
cool.
it.
It'd be cool. It's a cool car. I think FFs are really good value for right now. Like
How much is it, like 170?
This is 160.
Dude, yeah.
And it's a 4-seater V12 front engine Ferrari, all-wheel drive.
Everything sounds
It's got a little, ooh, you know what I'm saying? It's got some girthy tailpipes. Tommy, that sounds good.
And that's pre-exhaust / straight pipes.
Yeah, dude, that exhaust has some girth to it.
Steve has no idea we're here, so Steve, when you're watching this, text me, I'll make it happen.
How much is this going for?
That one we're asking 149.8.
150. Steve, please. For me.
We wanna stance it.
That'd be hot.
It could be our content car. We'll straight pipe it. We'll do a tasteful wide body. Steve wants to sell the SLS.
Okay, let's do it.
Well, thank you. I appreciate
You're
it.
very welcome, brother.
Yeah,
Thank
I'm
you
excited
very
to get another one sold to you guys.
Yeah, man. We'll make it happen. Easy.
Yeah. It'll be fun. I'll miss it though.
We'll find it a good home.
will.
As always. Thank
Sir,
you.
if you
Thank
see
very
an
much.
E30, let me know.
Yeah, E36, E46 too.
Honestly, anything JDM.
Anything JDM is my scene, so I'm waiting for that phone call.
I got it. Hey, see you.
Why is your eyebrow wet?
I have oil.
Look how wet her eyebrow is.
Castor oil, bro. Don't worry about that.